Today, we're going to do some exhaust repair on a Ford SUV. I don't know what it is. Needs some muffler repair. Here we go. I'm going to take the hardware apart and snap the nuts off there, so I have to change those out. This resonator was attached to this muffler, so I'm going to attempt to clean that up and weld it. Attempt to use this air chisel to punch these out. To be honest, it's kind of a guess at the angle since it was broke. So, hopefully that'll work. I gotta fix. There's another crack right there. I'm gonna attempt to fix that too. So the vehicle's not here. It's a couple miles away. I'm gonna go get it, bring it back here, put it up in the vehicle so I can get the angle right, because that would surely suck to weld this and then have to bring it back here and do it again. Well, with no exhaust, his neighbors are going to love this. Not as bad as I thought. Needs some suspension work. Don't appreciate it, so alright, made it. Now I just need to move this vehicle in the driveway and pull this in. Alright, so I think that'll work for an angle, maybe. Got the gap pretty well closed up. And just so we're clear, I am not a welder. Best case scenario, semi-professional Todd exhaust repair person.
I am a semi-professional race car driver and an amateur tattoo artist.
That's the best I can do. Alright, all back together. And I know what you're thinking. Be like, man, that is just beautiful. And you're right, it's pretty good. I started the video out and said I am not a welder, so will that hold enough for it to stay in the car? Probably. Do I guarantee it? No. Is it cheaper than going out and buying the one section of exhaust for over 150 bucks? Absolutely. Will it get him by? I think so. All positive signs. Alright, got it kind of hooked up in some of the exhaust hangers. And it's pretty close to being right. So I'm going to go buy some hardware for those, and then it should pull it up enough and be right. Oh, let's make life easy. Time check for leaks.
You can feel for exhaust leaks. It'll be hot, so you'll definitely be able to tell.
No leaks. Alright. That's going to do it for the video. So, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.